In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed an Instagram feed on Mailchimp. To get started, open Mailchimp and then open the campaign you want to work on in the Mailchimp email builder. This is the area where you can design your email and customize how everything looks before sending it out. If you already have your email content prepared, this step should be quick. If not, that's okay too, you can still add the Instagram feed while building the rest of your layout. Once you are inside the email builder, look over to the sidebar and find the app's content block. This section includes integrations and special content types that can be added directly into your email. When you locate the app's block, click on it and drag it into your email layout, wherever you want the Instagram feed to appear. Try placing it in a section where it feels natural and visually balanced, especially if you want it to support other content in the message. After placing the block into your layout, go back to the sidebar and expand the plus Instagram content blocks option. This is the feature that allows you to connect your Instagram content and display selected posts inside your Mailchimp email. When that option opens, click Connect to begin linking your Instagram account. At this stage, you will be prompted to log in and authorize access. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to allow Mailchimp to connect to your Instagram account. Make sure you are signing into the correct account that contains the posts you want to feature. Once the connection is approved, Mailchimp will be able to pull in your Instagram content for use in the email. Next, choose your preferred layout style. This will control how the Instagram posts are displayed inside the message. So pick the format that best matches the design of your campaign. Then select the specific posts you want to show. This is helpful if you only want to highlight certain content rather than display everything. After that, adjust the post size so the feed fits nicely within your email design and remains easy for your audience to view. Before finishing, it's always a good idea to preview the email and make sure the Instagram section looks clean and properly aligned. That way, you can confirm the feed blends well with the rest of your content and creates a polished final result. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.